the floor space in this toy hauler. It's insane. I've got my boots on. Look at this. The most headroom I've ever experienced. I really like the extra lighting that they put back here. That's awesome. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life. I'm back at Alliance RVs with Chandler right here. Thanks for joining us today, Chandler.
Absolutely.
And what RV do we have right here?
So this is our new Valor 44V14. So that V14 stands for a 14-foot garage, which is pretty unique. It's a new size for the Alliance Valor series.
So Chandler, how new is this particular model?
So this is one of the first variations of this floor plan. They have not been sent out yet, but they're getting ready. They just did their first run this last week. So they'll start to be rolling out to dealerships here very, very soon, which we're very excited for.
Awesome. So tell me about it.
Yeah, so for 2024s, we're gonna have a completely new exterior package. I'm a huge fan of these new doors. They just look really slick, especially that front one. It's not gonna have the decal on it, so you get the full picture there, but completely different exterior,
nice.
As well as an interior, which we'll get to a little later.
And you can see through that, right?
Yeah, so that front one will have a little access window at the top, just like every other door, but this is completely just glass on the outside, and it's a normal door.
All right,
see through on the inside.
Gotcha.
Coming over this way though, standard stuff for Alliance RV. We have our performance running gear highlighted by that CRE 3000. You'll have the installed V brackets on it already. Increased springs, so you'll have 8K springs on those 7K Dexter axles. This specific model has 3 of those axles. So really, really beefy unit to bring those bigger toys with you as well.
I like how you guys kind of add extra suspension. That's a nice touch.
Yeah, always just trying to increase that as much as you can to try to limit out those blowouts or any major problems that most people don't think about when they go camping.
Well, this is cool. Onboard air.
You'll have your normal storage access panel back through here for that front pass-through storage. Again, we are on that 101-inch wide body for all of our brands here at Alliance RV, and the fifth wheels, our new Deltas, don't quite have that, but now this is my favorite part of the exterior here. You got a new front cap with those huge LED lights lighting up the front. I think it looks amazing, that new black and gray compared to that old. So that's kind of new with the 2024. That's for all the Valor lines as well.
Nice.
And then something on this side, we've gone to a water manifold system over here. So a complete overhaul with that. You'll have all your water shutoff valves on the outside as well as on the inside. So it just gives you a little more versatility and makes this a lot easier for the end consumer, which is what we're known for, listening to that customer.
And this is brand new for you guys, right? I mean, this was actually like a customer idea.
Yeah, and saw it on the Facebook page and kind of went with it. And it's worked out really well.
That is awesome. These water controls are like the most amazing thing. Being able to shut off hot and cold water to all of these different areas completely separate. So just huge. If you're needing to, work on something or whatever, this is awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. So something also on this floor plan specifically, just like our Paradigm, that 395 ES, you'll have a trash chute here, which is really convenient.
Yeah.
Load up your trash can, everything. It stays away from all the animals, little kids, everything like that. So
fit several trash cans in there.
Yeah, a lot of space.
Cool.
So working our way towards the back, we've kind of reinvented the ladder, if you will. We've now put in a portable one, and that will clamp up to the top there instead of having one built onto the side, so that way your clearance isn't an issue. This is a lot easier, and it makes travel a lot easier as well. So the fuel capacity, so you're gonna have dual tanks there. So each one, I believe, is 30 gallons. So you'll have a 30 gallon that goes straight into your generator, and then 30 gallons that you can use that hose for to, fill up your toys or fill up that generator as well. And then now we have our back patio party, the patio package. This is where it's really fun.
Oh yeah.
Out camping, watch the sunset, hang out, grab a couple beverages of your choice, and kind of enjoy the RV in the nice weather.
Yeah, it's nice to have the extra steps out here to access that if that's all, folded down inside.
Exactly.
So. Now, if you're new to the RV life or even experienced, I have a course that you can get available for free. It's a beginner's guide to RVing, and it's through RV Life or RV Trip Wizard. So if you are already a member, you can get this course completely for free. And as you may have heard me mention before, we love our RV Life and RV Trip Wizard membership, because that's how we navigate through the country and make sure we stay on RV safe roads. We keep track of our entire camping schedule, and it's just great being able to input all the campgrounds that we're going to be staying at and the dates, and then it tells us the route to take. We love it. Actually, I'll put a QR code right here so you can just scan it with your smartphone, and actually I'll give you a code here on the screen that will save you 25% off of your membership. Yes. And then you can go to RV Masterclass, which is part of RV Life, and find my course. And again, there'll be a link to this down below in the description and the pinned comment, as well as our other favorite camping apps. Well, let's look at the garage then.
Yeah, let's go on in. Nice 3-season doors here. We also have new colors with these Happy Jack system. So again, this is in couch form right now. It can also fold into another bed. You'll have a bed up above you as well. But Alliance, we're known for our versatile garages. So this is our L-Track system. Gives you over 300 tie downs. So you can really utilize this garage any way you want. I've seen people turn it into, fitness centers as well as another bedroom, or, just for those toys, which is what it's all for.
Cool. I'll just get a little close up of that. I don't think I've actually seen this yet, so.
Yeah, I don't know of many other brands that do this. It's just one of those things, kind of from the get-go, we wanted to offer more tie-downs for all of our toy hauler lines. So this is something that you'll see in all of our Valor fifth wheels.
Well, and it's flush mount. In my toy hauler, it's it's uneven.
Yeah.
So I got my desk rolling around back there, and I hit one of those, and it's like, oh.
It's a nightmare. It's a nightmare. So back here, you're gonna have your 12-volt TV, as well as a nice half bath, and then something that we've changed again for the 2024. We've made the access for the loft on this side. So now, instead of being in the living room, it's now gonna be in the garage. So it kind of makes two separate bedrooms, if you will.
I like that. Yeah, that's great. You can send the kids back here and close the door.
Exactly. You won't hear them. You'll have that washer and dryer prep not only back here, but you'll also have it upstairs as well, which you'll see in a little bit.
Cool.
Come on into the main living area.
All right.
So right now we got all the couches kind of tucked up away. That's one of those things. When you are camping, you're going to set them back up. They'll just slide into some clips down there, and then you'll be set and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and demo that right now for you.
Sounds good. Awesome to have an L-shaped couch.
Yeah.
Plenty of room for everybody to sit down and be comfy.
It's our first floor plan that we've done that with, so it's
okay.
Really unique and gives a lot of seating arrangements for everybody. So it's one of those things, once you get the system down, it's pretty easy to lock and load. And just like that, you're ready to go. So this is a pretty cool couch setup. 2 recliners, and then that part will turn into a sleeper sofa. So again, even more sleeping potential here with this floor plan. Entertainment area is going to be over on this side with a fireplace. You have your JBL sound system, as well as your large TV. And then this part's going to look pretty familiar if your guys' fans have, seen our Paradigm 395 DS. It's that same exact kitchen layout and kind of that living room layout, just turned into a toy hauler. So you're still going to have that L-shaped kitchen, as well as that trash chute, which you guys saw a little earlier as well.
Well, it's a beautiful kitchen and lots of counter space, especially for a toy hauler.
Absolutely. And that's one of those things too, is we're giving everybody a 4-burner cooktop now. In that Valor line, we used to have that 3-burner. Again, it's a new change, and you'll have a full-size oven as well, which is really, really big.
Cool.
And then over on this side, you'll have your 12-volt refrigerator. Again, utilizes those 2 solar panels that are going to come standard, as well as another pantry area over here with adjustable shelves.
Well, I'm noticing there's a lot of storage potential back here.
Yeah. Gives you a lot of places to keep all your stuff, and that's what we always hear is more and more and more and more storage. So try to maximize that as much as you can.
I have too much storage, said no RV ever.
Exactly. Right up here, you're going to have your control panel. We go back to the old school buttons. It's a little more reliable for us, so that's kind of why we do that with that. But this particular coach will have 3 slides as well. We'll go up to the bedroom up here. So a nice Jack and Jill entrance for the bathroom here. Something that we've also done new for the 2024s is we made a sunken shower. So it's going to give you extra clearance. I'm already 6 foot with shoes on. I'm probably 6'1", 6'2".
Yeah.
I have a lot of room here. So it's probably pushing 6'9", 6'10" at least. But other than that though, you're going to have your nice countertops, as well as that epoxy poured toilet. And then into your bedroom here, you'll have a true king size bed, as well as your front closet with lots of storage everywhere. You'll have hidden storage underneath your dresser, shoe storage underneath the dresser, so you can hide away your shoes, as well as the stairs when you came up here. The closet will open. You'll have storage on this side with drawers, adjustable shelves in the closet as well. Your other washer dryer hookup, like we talked about a little earlier, with some outlets. And you'll have all your USB and 110 outlets on the side of the bed as well.
I really like the adjustable shelves here.
Yeah.
I think I've seen that before.
That seems to kind of be the theme. Everybody wants, it's not cookie cutter. Everybody has different needs and different size equipment. So giving the versatility to adjust those shelf heights is it's a big deal.
And I think the shoe storage down there was also like customer driven or something.
Everybody wants places to put their shoes, and again, that more and more storage. So we've kept kind of the same total amount of storage. We just replaced it. Instead of going with 4 drawers, we made each one a little bigger and made it 3 drawers, so we're able to have that shoe storage because there was still that dead space prior to that. So it's just those little tweaks, and they add up. So
yeah. Wow. Well, thank you so much, Chandler, for the tour here today. And thank you, Alliance RVs, for having us out and getting the factory tour and some other tours that we're doing. And amazing changes you have with this new model here. And for other tour videos, you can click right over here.